Hello woodworkers and DIY lovers, welcome back to our channel. Today we're looking at 20 genius woodworking tools you'll wish you had, from smart measuring gadgets and time-saving clamps to next-level saw guides and unique Amazon finds that will completely change the way you work in your shop. Stick around because tool number 9 is one of the most genius inventions every DIYer should own. Without further ado, let's dive in. Keeping heavy materials organized and mobile is essential for efficiency and safety in any workshop. The Grizzly lumber and pipe carts provide a rugged storage and transport solution for wood, sheet goods, and metal stock. The T34006 features a 4-tier lumber rack with a 1,110-pound load capacity, while the T34007 adds a plywood cart to securely hold sheet goods like plywood, drywall, and panels. For metalworkers, the T33881 cantilever pipe cart offers a 3-tier system with a 2,200-pound capacity made from 11-gauge steel with removable securing pins. All carts include a durable powder-coated finish and locking heavy-duty casters, perfect for safely storing and transporting lumber, plywood, or pipe stock. Every woodworking project needs clean, accurate screw holes that sit flush with the surface. The JSEM Pro Countersink drill bit set delivers professional results with durable M2 HSS steel and a sharp 4-flute design for smooth, precise holes in hardwood, softwood, MDF, plywood, and PVC. The adjustable self-centering collar lets you set the exact depth, keeping screw heads perfectly flush or slightly recessed. Each bit features a 1/4-inch universal hex shank fitting quick-change systems and standard drill guns with ease. With a black oxide finish for durability and long-lasting sharpness, this set ensures efficiency and precision, making it perfect for woodworking, furniture building, and cabinetry projects. Every craftsman needs accurate measurements and markings to achieve flawless results. The JessEm sword squares reinvent the classic T-square with innovation, precision, and comfort. Featuring a robust ergonomic handle, these tools provide superior control and a natural wrist position when marking or scribing. The etched and engraved markings every 1/32 of an inch, along with 1/16 of an inch scribing notches on the inch scale and 1 mm notches on the metric scale, ensure lasting accuracy and visibility. Retractable balancing tabs keep the square steady, while the flex grip system locks it in place for vertical lines. Crafted for precision and durability, sword squares are perfect for woodworking, layout work, and ensuring projects stay square. Clean, precise edging is essential for professional-looking woodworking projects. The Co-Matic EDGEBAND trimmer delivers unmatched accuracy with its exclusively patented height adjustment system, preventing scratches and damage while ensuring safe, effective, and personalized operation. Powered by a 30,000 RPM motor, it trims wood, PVC, melamine, or laminate with ease. More than just edge bands, it also handles hollow doors and column edges. A multifunction hidden razor allows quick overhang removal, while the 180-degree telescopic cover with vacuum connection keeps dust under control and doubles as a safeguard. With custom colettes and router bits, this versatile tool is perfect for achieving flawless, professional trimming results. Tackling trees, branches, and firewood demands a reliable tool that delivers power without the hassle of cords or fuel. The SENIX cordless battery-powered chainsaw is equipped with a 14-inch bar and a 20 meters per second chain speed, powered by a quiet 40-volt brushless motor for smooth, efficient cutting. It includes 2x4 ampere-hours batteries and a charger, providing over 90 cuts per charge, making it ideal for long projects or storm cleanup. Features like tool-free chain tensioning, an automatic oiler, and a chain brake ensure safe, user-friendly operation. Durable and emission-free, this brushless chainsaw is perfect for pruning, yard work, outdoor logging, or camping wood splitting. Every workshop demands flexibility and easy movement to adapt quickly between projects. The JessEm multi-purpose casters combine mobility with convenience, manufactured from durable 12-gauge steel for long-lasting strength. Designed to mount on a wide variety of tables, steel stands, and workbenches, these casters provide effortless maneuverability across your workspace. They come fully assembled and installed in minutes, ensuring you spend more time building and less time adjusting. The ENGAGE-MORE foot pedal features a custom cam-locking design that delivers superior holding power compared to standard casters. Perfect for woodworking, metalworking, or DIY setups, these casters allow professionals and hobbyists alike to adapt their workspace with ease. Accuracy in layout work is the foundation of flawless woodworking projects. The O-School saddle square is like a miter saddle square and dovetail saddle marker that provides unmatched precision, allowing woodworkers to scribe straight and angled lines seamlessly around corners. Made from anodized aluminum, these tools are lightweight, durable, and feature a textured surface to prevent slipping. With precision machined edges and markings for 45 degrees, 90 degrees, and 1 to 7 dovetails, they ensure accuracy in dovetailing, mitering, box joints, and square cuts. Compact in size with a convenient hang hole for storage, they are easy to handle and keep within reach. Perfect for reliable measuring and marking in all woodworking projects. A smooth, flawless finish requires power, precision, and control. The HYCHIKA Random Orbit Sander delivers exactly that with its 3.8 amperes, 450-watt motor, which is stronger than standard 3-ampere models, reaching speeds of 6,000 to 12,000 OPM for versatile performance. Designed as an orbital sander with 6 variable speeds, it adapts easily from sanding to polishing wood, metal, or plastic, and even removing paint or stains. The dual-handle design, rubber grip, and counterweight system reduce vibration for comfort and stability. With a high-efficiency dust collector, vacuum adapter, and 20 pieces of quick-change sandpaper, cleanup and workflows stay effortless. This 5-inch electric sander is perfect for woodworking and precise surface finishing. Accurate, straight cuts are essential for clean woodworking and sheet processing. The Peachtree ProGrip Clamp Guide is a GCX system that delivers precision with clamp capacities of 24, 36, and 50 inches, all of which are modular and connectable, providing an impressive 121-inch cutting capacity. Unlike fixed, straight-edge guides, this system offers 7 length combinations in one package, ensuring versatility for any project. Built from heavy-duty aluminum, it resists warping while providing a smooth, low-friction surface for circular saws, routers, and jigsaws. The locking handle secures the guide firmly, guaranteeing consistent results. Perfect for wood, plywood, MDF, or sheet goods, this extendable clamp guide turns any saw into a track saw alternative. Every woodworker knows that stability, safety, and control are vital for achieving precise cuts. The BOW Products XTENDER fence is designed to transform your saw with the extender fence system, delivering superior feed control and support for both table saws and bandsaws. Constructed from heavy-duty aluminum extrusion, it extends your saw's original fence up to 46 inches in length and 5 inches in height, creating more workable space and consistency. The system attaches quickly with tack clamps and offers multiple T-slot configurations for custom setups. Pair it with bow feather boards for added control and kickback protection, ensuring cleaner, safer, and more accurate woodworking cuts. Cutting insulation materials with speed and precision is essential for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. The Minovatool insulating saw delivers outstanding performance as a wireless 18-volt, 4 ampere-hours powerhouse, ideal for mineral wool, rock wool, and more. Its adjustable cutting angles from 45 to 135 degrees provide unmatched versatility for different tasks. Powered by a durable brushless motor, it ensures strong, consistent output with extended service life. The innovative double-blade design accelerates cutting while minimizing vibrations for smoother, cleaner results. Lightweight yet powerful, this insulation saw offers efficiency, comfort, and reliability, making it a must-have for modern construction projects. Driving nails quickly and accurately is crucial for finishing work in carpentry and construction. The Bosch Wood Nailer is an 18-volt brushless 16-gauge angled finish nailer that delivers pneumatic-like performance without the need for hoses or compressors. Capable of fastening up to 1,600 nails per charge, it ensures unmatched productivity. Features like one-handed activation, wide-view contact tip, and ergonomic depth adjustment provide precision and ease of use. Its intuitive interface toggles between single and bumpfire modes, activates the LED light, and delivers service alerts. With low recoil, tool-free jam clearing, and dry fire lockout, this nailer ensures comfort, efficiency, and durability on every project. Precision drilling is essential for woodworking, metalworking, and versatile workshop projects. The Wen Variable Speed Drill Press offers reliable performance at an affordable price, making it a must-have for any craftsman. Featuring a 10-inch swing and adjustable variable speed between 530 and 3,100 RPM, it adapts perfectly to different materials. An onboard digital readout and easy-to-use lever ensure smooth speed adjustments, while the laser guide provides maximum accuracy. The adjustable work table tilts and changes height for versatile setups, enhancing flexibility. Built for rugged performance, this drill press effortlessly powers through wood, plastic, and even cast iron, delivering top-notch durability and precision. Cabinet installation demands accuracy, alignment, and efficiency to achieve a professional finish. The Manram cabinet clamp delivers all-in-one functionality by tightening, aligning, pre-drilling, and securing cabinet styles without repositioning. Each set includes 2 high-performance face frame clamps, a protective case, and felt pads to ensure both durability and care for surfaces. Its integrated pilot hole drill guide provides precise pre-drilling and easily flips away for screw driving. Felt pads on clamp faces and alignment plates protect cabinets from damage during installation. With long-lasting construction and smart design, these clamps streamline the entire cabinet installation process, making them practical, efficient, and indispensable for woodworking professionals and DIYers. Safety and control are essential when working with cutting tools, ensuring accuracy while protecting your hands. The Milescraft Grabber is a multi-purpose push block designed to give you superior control while jointing, routing, or ripping material. Featuring a soft grip ergonomic handle, it provides comfort and keeps your hands safely away from blades. Its diamond grip rubber bottom delivers maximum holding strength without marring your workpiece. The durable body ensures reliable performance across all woodworking applications, while its high-visibility yellow design makes it easy to spot in a busy shop. Built for precision and safety, this tool is an indispensable companion for woodworkers of all skill levels. Precision is crucial in woodworking, where even the smallest miscalculation can affect the final result. The JessEm setting gauge eliminates guesswork, allowing you to set your tools with extreme accuracy and efficiency. Perfect for adjusting depths or heights on virtually any tool, this gauge works both vertically and horizontally, making it highly versatile. With fine adjustments up to 1/16 of an inch, it saves time and ensures perfection every step of the way. Crafted with CNC laser cutting and TrueMark engraving, it guarantees precision and durability. Available in multiple sizes, including a pocket-sized option and metric version, this setting gauge is an indispensable tool for every workshop. Keeping your cutting tools sharp, clean, and ready ensures smoother work and extends their lifespan. The Rockler Router Bit Maintenance Kit provides everything you need to maintain your bits in one organized set. It includes a reservoir container that holds up to 10 1/2 ounces of cleaning solution, complete with shank holes for soaking bits up to 3 1/4 inches in diameter. The kit comes with a folding brass wire brush, a 2-sided diamond hone with 300 and 600 grit, and a bit grip with 4 collets for secure holding. 3 hex wrenches are also included for bearing removal. Compact and efficient, this kit keeps every tool sharp, clean, and always ready. Every woodworking project requires precise drilling, smooth countersinking, and clean finishes to achieve a professional result. The EZARC Countersink drill bit set is a complete 15-piece solution, including tapered drill bits, countersink cutters, and 2 wood plug cutters, all packed in a convenient storage box. Made from nitride-treated industrial-grade high-speed steel, these bits offer enhanced toughness, wear resistance, and up to 2 times longer life than carbon steel alternatives. With precision depth control collars, you can set exact pilot hole depths for consistent countersinking. Featuring sharp cutters with an 82-degree counterbore angle, they deliver smooth, rapid drilling in hard or soft woods. Perfect for cabinetry, furniture, and versatile woodworking applications. Accuracy and stability are vital in woodworking, especially when working inside a box or flat on a table. The Woodpecker's Precision Triangles, available in 4-inch and 6-inch sizes, deliver exceptional reliability for these tasks. Milled from the same material and built to the same tolerances as Woodpecker's Precision Woodworking Squares, they provide flawless squaring and precise 45-degree angles for setups like a miter saw. The knurled brass knobs join the triangles together, creating a convenient grip with added heft. Laser-engraved 16-inch graduations allow accurate 2-direction measurements from a single 0 point. Complete with a wall-mountable MDF case, this set keeps your precision tools always visible and ready for work. Accuracy in woodworking begins with the very first line, making precise layout tools essential for quality results. The Rockler marking knife is designed to deliver unmatched precision for clean, sharp layout lines. Crafted in a stainless steel Japanese style, it is hardened to HRC 60 to 62 for long-lasting edge retention. Measuring 6 1/2 inches long and 5/8 inch wide, it features a spear point bevel design with 2 sharp edges, making it ideal for both right and left-handed use. Its flatback face references perfectly against straight edges. At the same time, the innovative sheath includes a rare earth magnet, a 1,200 grit diamond stone, and a leather strop for easy sharpening and honing. And that's our list of the 20 genius woodworking tools you'll wish you had. Tell me in the comments which woodworking gadget would make the biggest difference in your workshop. If you enjoyed this list, hit that like button, share this video with your fellow DIYers and woodworking friends, and subscribe for more woodworking tools, Amazon gadgets, and DIY must-haves every single week. Keep building smarter, and I'll see you in the next video.